Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So let me tell y'all, I have so much stuff to do and I just wanted to switch my wig and give a cute little chic look that doesn't give too much but gives just enough. So I thought this wig would be literally perfect. And by the way, I've never even done a curly bob, I don't believe, ever. So this was something that I was like, all right, I definitely want to try this, but I want to get it done quick. So I did my little quick techniques to get this wig installed and done and slayed or whatever. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright y'all, so I'm literally in a hurry and I was just like, I want to put on this wig so I could just give a like calm little chic vibe. Like it's not giving too much but it's giving just enough, but at the same time it's just like I gotta install the whole wig, but I wanted to install it in under 20 minutes. So right now I'm about to set my timer. I already have my ball cap on and I already plugged it a little bit, so that helped me a lot. Like I love doing stuff like that off camera because I just be real quick with it. I don't gotta worry about angles, none of that. So what I am trying to do right now is get this wig on. I'm aiming for 15 minutes, but I'm gonna give myself time because I know I be a little bit of a perfectionist or whatever. So I'm giving myself a little bit, like 5 minutes leeway the most. I'm giving myself 5 minutes extra at most. So this video is also dedicated to my girls who be late for work or want to do a quick cute look for work but they running late. School, I know a lot of y'all going back to school right now, college, all of that stuff, and y'all just want to know how to do a quick little install in under a certain amount of minutes. I know how y'all get, even if you just lazy, because sometimes I'm not gonna lie y'all, I be a bit lazy and I don't be trying to do too much. So this is literally perfect. So the wig I got right now is this curly 14-inch wig, and I wanted to do like a side part bob type of look, and it's already wet, so I don't know if I'm gonna do a side part or a center part, but it's definitely gonna give what it needs to give. So oh my god y'all, I just be so nervous when I challenge myself, but I'm gonna try not to just look at the timer at all. So let me get my timer out right now. We're gonna set the clock on 20 minutes. I don't see why I can't get this done in 20 minutes, to be honest, but I'm just trying to give myself time to perfect it so it's not sloppy, but it's like, girl, you had enough time. That's what it's gonna give. So we got the timer 20 minutes and let's go. The timer is off, y'all. I am finished, but I just wanted to define my curls a little bit with this hair brush. But I think mission accomplished, challenge accepted. I'm just doing my last little tweaks or whatever. And we're gonna keep it pushing, all right? I'm about to see how this came out. I do want to mousse my ends a little bit more, but I let my baby hair sit a little long. You see how they're a little frizzy at the ends? We don't want that. We don't want that, so just make sure I get the ends real good, especially in the back. But if you literally had to run out, all you would have had to done was bring your mousse with you and define your curls, because for the most part, we did what needed to be done, period. Period. I just really want to saturate these waves into or these curls, I guess you could say, in, and make sure it's moisturized. A part of me wanna blunt cut it too, but I gotta see how I'm feeling first. And honestly, if I don't like it in the side part, because I am testing it out right now, I know it's gonna get poofy, so I'm trying to do as much as I can. If I don't like it in the side part, I could always change to a center part. Like, that's one of the benefits of having a wig. Like, you could literally do whatever you want with it, period. I'm gonna just put it. All right, y'all. Oh my god, I'm so over my lashes. I'm so mad they droopy like this. This is not classy. Oh my god, I hate it. Like, the girl do lashes really cute, but it's just, I don't like how they look on my eyes. Like, they're so droopy. But all right, so let's see how these baby hairs came out. And I purposely want them to look messy, so I might go back in and customize them. But you could leave it just like how it is if you'd like. It really all depends on you and what you want. So this is how the baby hairs came out. Nice, messy, and cute. Oh, my baby hair came apart and came off. Got a little dent in my forehead, but we're gonna ignore that. So how are y'all liking this look? This is so cute, bouncy, and quick. The wig is on and it looks so good. I'm so happy that it's not too poofy. I didn't want it to be super poofy. I still wanted kind of like a wet look, but it gave and it did what it was supposed to do. And I'm loving these baby hairs too. I think I might start using my mousse again. I don't know, because the mousse been giving what it was supposed to give, to be honest. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm installing it better. I'm not sure what it really is. I mean, mousse never really gave me a big problem anyway, but when you kind of have do your installs or you're rushing or something, mousse is usually the #1 product that's gonna guarantee mess it up if you're like impatient or doing it wrong, like seriously. But let me know what y'all thinking about this little curly bobby in the comments or whatever. How y'all feeling about this look? I think it's cute, and let me know if y'all can do this in 20 minutes, because some people actually could do it in probably like, I want to say like 10, 15 maybe, depending on how you go. But I'm like, I know I could get it done quick, but we're gonna make sure it looks super cute. Like, we don't want it to look trashy. We don't want it to give trash, so period. Anyways, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, like if you like this video, and let me know if you could get this done in less than 20 minutes. Let me see when y'all can be my little record or whatever. So I'm gonna see you on my next video, okay? Later, y'all.
Baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me